Good morning, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. And I want us to understand negative indices. And as we understood, there is a law, I think law number 4, which states that if a is raised to power negative a, then this is 1 over a raised to power positive a. There is a reciprocal which reverses the sign of the index. Now, in example 7, we are told to show that 2 raised to power negative 2 can be written as 1 over 2 raised to power 2. And it goes without saying, this is exactly what the law states. But how do we show this? How do we simply show this? This is 1 over 2 raised to power 2, which is basically 1 over 4, because 2 squared is 4. This is what the law states. 2 raised to power negative 2 is equals to 1 over 2 raised to power positive 2. But how do we show this? For example, we could be having 2 raised to power 4, which is divided by, using law 2, 2 raised to power 2. And as we know it, this is 2 raised to power 4 minus 2, which is 2 raised to power 2. But if we go reverse, which is, this is just 4. If we start now with power 2 instead of power 4, we could be having 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power 4, which is 2 raised to power 2 minus 4, which is 2 raised to power minus 2. But if we take this part and have 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power 4, which is, this is 2 times 2, which is 4. This is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. And we can already see that 4 over 16 is by 4 1 by 4 4, which is 1 over 4, which it can also be written as 1 over 2 raised to power 2. And that is how we can be able to show that 2 raised to power negative 2 can be written in terms of 1 over 4. This is 2 raised to power negative 2, which is 1 over 4. If we go to example 8, example 8 is talking of work out 8 raised to power minus 2 over 3. And according to that law, this is just a matter of this can be written in terms of 1 over 8 raised to power 2 over 3. It changes the sign. And according to what we know, 2 is at the numerator and 3 is at the denominator. So we can extend this one and say 1 over the cube root of 8, which is eventually going to be squared. And we all know that the cube root of 8 is 2, and when 2 is squared, we are going to have a 4. So this is 1 over 2 squared, which is 1 over 4. And that is it. That is as far as example 8 is concerned. Let's talk about example 9 in the same video. Let's see what example 9 is giving us. So example 9 talks of work out 2 over 3 raised to power negative 2. So work out 2 over 3 raised to power negative 2. And as you know, the index is negative, so we have to bring the reciprocal of 2 over 3, which is going to be, this is 1 over 2 over 3. Now the index is positive. And look, what is it? This is a fraction and it is raised to power 2. the best thing we can do is to treat each one independently, which gives us 1 over 2 squared over 3 squared, which is 1 over 4 over 9. So anytime we divide by a fraction, it is like multiplying by the reciprocal of the divisor. So 1 divided by 4 over 9 is the same as, now let's see, is going to be 1 divided by 4 over 9 is like 1 over 1 obviously times 9 over 4, which is 9 over 4. This one is going to give us a summary of that law, and we are going to have some conclusion, and we are going to understand something. Therefore, as you can see, 2 over 3 raised to power minus 2 is actually 9 over 4. There is a lot of relationship between 2 and 4, and a relationship between 3 and 9. So it goes without saying, this one was 2 over 3 raised to power minus 2 is the same as the reciprocal of the original number, which is 3 over 2, which automatically now changes the sign of the index. And that's where we are. That is where we are, which is giving us 9 over 4. So in general, if we have x over y raised to power minus m, it's the same as y over x raised to power positive m. And that is the law. Thank you. Let us move together.